Hello, dear students. You are welcome in this lecture series. Today, we are going to take a different topic, that is note making and note taking. The best note taking methods and also the best note making methods. Note taking and note making both are very important, though they differ from each other. Note taking involves writing down most of what you hear or read without processing the information, but note making is more active and forces you to think, as you have to select, analyze and summarize what you hear or listen and also read, sometimes read. Note taking is a passive process which is undertaken during lectures. You do not get sufficient time to think over the points told by the speaker. Note taking at a glance gives complete view of a paragraph or any content which contains the main points and supporting details, but note making is more active and focused writing skill where a concrete connection between all relevant points, relevant concepts and words is drawn to infuse or connect all thoughts together by method. What are the similarities between note taking and note making? Both provide the students with material for easy reference, preparation and study during an examination. If you have made notes, if you have prepared notes or taken down notes, these notes will be very helpful to summarize or cover all points during the exam. You need not to study all points again. With the help of these notes, you can just revise the portion you have covered or you have studied. Both help the students in remembering facts easier as it utilizes both reading and listening skills. And both have the same purpose. Look at these last lines. That is for the students to excel in their studies, and both help the students to concentrate better and effectively. So, note taking and note making are two different things. Still, there is a difference between two. Note taking means only jotting down points which involves no sight interpretation. But note making helps student to see each point clearly along with its link or connection with each other. Here, very little changes are required. Easier to change notes made in note making. In note taking points from one source at a time, and in note making it involves the taking of points from different sources because you have enough time. But in note taking there is a less understanding because speaker speaks very fastly and you do not have time to think over the point he had just told to you. But in note making there is a more understanding. In note taking, points or notes are written in full form. Points given by sources are taken directly, but in note making it is often in short form because it is in your hands. Note taking only gives the early configuration for the whole topic, but note making helps the students in capturing its main key. Notes are made from sources. They are handmade since the time available is very limited. As I told you earlier, that when the lecture is going on, that time you take down important points. This is note taking. So you get less time for configuration, and in note making constructed by the learner themselves in handmade or in computer type form, so you get enough time. So what are the styles of note making? Yes, there will be question in your exam as a completion task. They will give you complete the tables, complete the charts, or line graphs will be there. Sometimes tree diagrams will be there, pictograms will be there, or maps and plans can be there. So note making has different styles. You can prepare yourself for note making and note taking. I hope you have got the points. Listen to the video, watch this video carefully, take down the important points, and be ready to prepare for note making and note taking. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let's stop over here. We will meet in the next video. Till then.